In this video I will show you when I'm going to draw in the forest for one of the scenes in my upcoming children's book. And this is the walk to the place where we're going to draw a tree. And it's interesting on the way meeting small animals like here, the frog, can you see it? It's like sitting all still next to all the leaves. Yeah, and there is jumping. It's really funny, just you can have so much inspiration just having a walk in the forest. Can you see it again? It's really hiding. And on the way to the tree we're going to draw, there is just like some really interesting trees that's like this one with all these holes and yeah, you can see here it's like been eaten. Still standing. It's beautiful. And further up in the forest as well is this tree, and it's just so amazing with all the patterns that the worms has been creating. And it goes like the whole way. I think it's so beautiful. So the small animals making these beautiful patterns. We're here in the forest, and it's just been thunder and rain, and I'm working on my third children's book, and I have a scene that's in the forest, and there is this guy climbing a tree. So I thought it would be nice to just draw and just be in that space where it's actually happening. And it's also a really nice a view from here, and I will show you. It's really beautiful, and it's just so relaxing to be out in the forest. And I don't mind the rain. It's really hard to draw when you are in a rainstorm, of course, but since the rain is past and now it's a sunny, beautiful day, we will do some drawing. And I want you to join me. So I want to do a warm-up first, because it's always hard to just start and do great things straight away. So it's great to just have fun. And I thought I'd start upside down and I do some doodles, and then I turn it, and I will use another pen, like a blue pen, and I will just see what this could look like. Just as a warm-up. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's some cows in the background. And the sound from the road, of course, as well. So this, I don't know what it is, a person with a hat. With a very strange hat. So this is like a warm-up. I will leave it like that. Imaginary image. Now I will move to drawing the person in the tree. And when I do that freehand and I don't know exactly how the image is going to look, it's a lot of searching. So I let the pen play on the paper. That's why I use a lot of lines. in this book there is a bird as well, so I will try to catch that as well. So I'm quite happy with this start, and now I can put a paper on top of this and redraw it until I am super happy with the image. And I write the date. Great, I'm happy.